Hi there, this is IK. Welcome to Fetch Data API and Axios library experiment with the similarity and the difference between them. Here is, before of that, here is 2000 milliseconds. I include delay, time delay here. You look at set time function, and after update state, after stop, after that stop animation, and fields in form for create a new post get empty. It all would happen after 2000 milliseconds, after 2 seconds. And it is demonstration how application continue to work and how waiting asynchronous event. Here it is. If we add something here, submit, start animation is loading, and after that we have visible in table what we create. Here it is, submit. Look at now, we say asynchronous working, some asynchronous processing when we need. Synchronous process go on. Application go on, keep running, and asynchronous processing running parallel. And but it in our concretely situation here, it means React running during waiting promise. It means that we look at in animation is loading. It is continuous work in this situation. Here it is, animation. After 2 seconds, stop, and we see here it. But main topic theme is in this video is this. Now I will delete this number 1 and the right number 2. It is there is no post 2, and now when I get here and add a submit, we have is loading, but now we have is loading longer than 2 seconds. Why? Because something wrong something wrong in communication. There is no response, and we catch error. Where it is in console log, we will see what is error. Here it is, F12. And look at Axios error, error bad request, and here it is, failed to load resource. The server responded with status 404, not found. It is known page not found. That we have from Axios. Here is visible that in a core business of Axios library is XML HTTP request. It is first version of get data from remote server, get only data and not refresh page, only refresh data but not refresh data. Okay, now we'll see for fetch data API what we get from it. In update component we have fetch. Fetch, it is a method put. I change this was 1, I change in 2, and let's go to read. Here it is. Update. Update. Here is update AA, but in home there is no. It is this. It is not AA. And back to admin. F12. We see failed to load the resource. The server responded with status of 404, not found. Failed to load, no, same as in Axios. We have 404, page not found. Try again, update. Okay, try again, update. You look at it, it's the same. After update, it is not update again. Now A or B. B, update, and we have here put 404 not found, and update.js 12, it is here. Here it 12 is here. Here is a problem, and that row is real communication between API of React and API of browser. And that fetch give to browser address, HTTPS, and browser communicate, HTTP get communication with server, and in same row, after same row, we have response or we have error. Now we have error, and we can see that error in F12 in console, not found. And we see update.js 12 in that place is error. It is interesting that in Axios we have this number 29 as source of a writing error, you know, where is code for writing error, but now with fetch API we have error is in 12, and we know what it is. After giving correct address, number 1, and refresh, and now I can D, and now update, there is no row, it is all okay, and we have that D here, D. Something else I want to see, admin, a submit. After 2 seconds we see that here, AA is here. But what about home? Yes, here it is, absolutely. And when it is home page, we see what we have now, and we have rendering, that home page rendering what we need for home page, and concretely rendering blog post menu. Here it is. Here is blog post menu is on home page. Blog post menu, it is all post. Here is blog post menu left. It is title of all post. And when I get to admin, when I go back home, it is same. Nothing. There is no more post than before. But now when I admin, I delete something. Okay, delete. Now look at home. We have rendering and we have only 2 posts here. 2 posts. Admin, get back home. No, only 2 posts. Admin, we add. Submit. And we have 3 posts. And blog post menu is re-rendering because state is mutate, is change, is update. Thank you for watching this video.